My name is Guilhem André, I am curator at the Louvre Abu Dhabi and I am in charge of the collections for the medieval period as well as Asian art. The idea today is to present one very special artwork, which is this woolen carpet we have here. It's commonly known as a 3-medallion carpet.
My name is Theophanis Karafotias and I'm the head of preventive conservation in Louvre Abu Dhabi. The Mamluk carpet is quite fragile. Apart from its age, it has been reduced in size and patches from the original carpet have been stitched together, which adds to its fragility. As a support, a polycarbonate board is cut in the dimensions of the carpet. This material is rigid, lightweight, inert and suitable for collection-related operations. The polycarbonate board is first covered with a soft cotton fabric that serves as padding and provides a soft and non-slippery support to the carpet. The carpet is secured on the support with non-visible hand stitches in vertical lines in order to equally distribute the weight across the board. The biggest challenge of this operation is actually the size of the carpet. With almost 5 meters length and 3 meters width, handling the structure is complicated, although it's quite lightweight for this size.